threw together this from a critter, what do you call it? A Critter Nation ferret type cage, double stack that I picked up off Marketplace. I think it was like 60 bucks. Wasn't very much. And then everything else is scrap wood or leftover wood from other projects. You know, I had an old Harbor Freight dolly, furniture dolly, pulled the casters off. So those didn't cost me, you know, really anything. All the wood is, like I said, basically leftover from other builds. Built the, you know, the box and the wall out of old fence pickets that I had left over, some old landscape timbers, you know, and planted a hibiscus. Got some topsoil. It's got a drainage layer where water can flow through. It'll probably stay outside. This is going to be a sunning cage for my bearded dragon. I wanted to, you know, give her something other than a little cage that I can move around a little bit with no bottom, that I had to really kind of keep an eye on her when she was in. She was out sunning. Wanted to give her something that she could go into and really stay out all day, or, you know, maybe even longer. So on some sunny days, even though it's winter, we'll throw her in there and, you know, probably let her stay in it all day and see how she likes it, and bring her back in at night. And she gets to run around the house a little bit. So yeah, she's got plenty to dig, some old driftwood, kind of mess around with. That's a live hibiscus. Got some, you know, fake cloth type leaves on the back. I had this old bark, it was left over from another project. So all in all, I think it turned out pretty good. You know, I'll be able to move it in and out. I can also use it for other animals. You know, maybe my Ackies when they get a little bigger. I don't know if I want to trust that with them, as they may be able to squeeze through at the moment. They're still not fully grown, but yeah. Not bad for a little project I started on yesterday afternoon for a couple of hours and finished up this morning. Got about 4 hours invested in it. Total, you know, I think I paid 80 bucks for the critter carrier off Marketplace, and maybe, you know, 10 bucks worth of scrap wood and stuff. So yeah, less than 100 bucks.